So in this video, I want to show you how to create and use a data grid view. And data grid views are great for showing table-like data or tabular data. And after we create a data grid view, I'll show you how to create columns in it and then binding your list of records to the data grid view. So this simplifies the whole process a lot. All right, so let's get started. So this is where we left off. I'm reading the staff CSV file. I then added a new staff in, and you can add as much new staff in as you like. And then I wrote it back into a new staff. Now what I want to do is, not only do I want to write it to a new staff, and I might do that on a different button, but I want to, I might just delete all of that. I don't really need that. I want to create a data grid view to show the data. Alright, so we'll go back to the form and we go to all Windows form here. Scroll down and you see data grid view, shove it in. And this is our table display, this is our record display. Let's actually call it record display. Staff records. We'll just go data grid view DGV and then we just call staff. That's enough, staff's good. We're going to go back into here and we've just created the data grid view and now we want to add some columns. So we go data grid view, no, it was data grid view staff, and then we go dot columns dot add, and the two columns I want to add is name and age. So first we need to add some kind of name to the column, which is col name, and then the label for the column name. So this is the name of the kind of the field object, whatever, and this is the actual label that we see. Just like, you know, DGV staff, you know, it's a column name. And let's add another column in. Col age. All right, so we've got that. Now we just need to bind the data inside our staff into this data grid view so we can see all the information. We need to use what we call a binding source. So we go dim binder maybe as binding source equals new binding source open close bracket. Great. So binder is our binding source. We go binder.data source and we link this the binder's data source to the staff, this thing, our list of records, and then we get a data grid view binding source and we link it to the binder. So we're basically, the binder is the middleman between the staff and the data grid view. Data grid view staff stuff. And that's it, we're done. If we run that, we should see in our data grid view the information from our staff. There we go, you can see that. There seems to be a bit of an issue there. Do I need to correct the columns? Seemed to be a bit of an issue here. Where have I gone wrong? Let's try to look at it again. So we've got an extra kind of thing going on there. Maybe I don't need these. Cool. Name and age. Beautiful. So we don't actually need to add the columns, but that's how you would add columns. So we'll just delete that. All right, so of course I can add some more staff. Let's add some more staff. Let's add something else. Let's try that. There you go, so that's the actual one there. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching.